Hello everybody, it's John Carters here with the Week 6 Term 4 video update. Well, Week 6, just saying that out loud just got a little bit scary. We've done, it's been a massive year and only a few weeks to go. So I'll try and get through. There's a little bit to share with you because we've had some really exciting and wonderful things going on over the last week and coming up next week. So let's have a go. One of the things that was a real highlight this week was we had Brothers 3 in with Year 1 doing some drama work down in the hall. One of our parents in our school helping out in that space. It was really wonderful to see them exploring drama and using such a wonderful community resource as one of our parents in that space. So I just want to say thanks to Arlen and crew for coming out on the day. Thank you very, very much. It was a wonderful, wonderful workshop. So cheers for that. Look, what's happening in the school at the moment, there's a fair bit going on. A lot of the end of year things happening. At the moment, we're starting the Year 5 captain's nomination process. Year 5 students are nominating at the moment, getting seconded by a student and a teacher. And they'll be going through their nominations at the beginning of week 8, before they go on camp, presenting their speech to years 2 to 6 to decide who our captain's leaders will be for 2023. So that's a really exciting thing coming up. Just wanted to let you know that that's what's happening in the background. Next week is a really, really exciting week. We've got swim school. So students that are going on to swim school next week, that's for the next 2 weeks of school. That's happening next week. And one of the other things that we've got going on is the initial speeches and stage for the Kevin Pye and Roger Wooten public speaking competitions. So students from their class will be going down. I think stage 2 is on Tuesday, stage 3 Wednesday, with their speeches there, with our final speak off due, I think, on Tuesday of week 8. Could be wrong with the day there, but that's the week after. So looking forward to that. Speaking of public speaking at the moment, as we speak, Jake Wolfson is actually down in Sydney at the state final of the Multicultural Public Speaking Competition. I just spoke with Mrs. Baddick. I was hoping that maybe we might have had a result as to how Jake went, but he's in the middle of his impromptu speech. He did his prepared speech this morning and apparently went super well. So well done, Jake, and he's in the midst of doing his impromptu speech at the moment. So Jake, we're so proud of you, mate. Anyone that goes down to that state level public speaking final has done a wonderful job, and well done for representing our school. The final reminder I've got for you going into next week, you would have seen on Facebook this week and maybe in other spaces, the PNC Gingerbread House orders are due on Tuesday. You can order them online through QuickClick and encourage you to do so. There are also some smaller gingerbread things to purchase there as well. So please jump on to the QuickClick to organise that. Look, the very last message, so I did say that was the last one. I forgot one more thing, just in relation to awards and presentation day. We are working through all of that at the moment, and look out in your email inboxes in the weeks to come, special invitations to parents of students who are receiving awards, whether they're class awards or major awards at presentation day. The invitations will come through there within the next 2 weeks. So just wanted to flag that with you. There'll be a written newsletter next week, and with that I'll share a lot of the staffing updates and organisation for 2023. But if you've got any questions in the meantime, please come and see us. And as I've said in written communication before, if you know you're moving on, or you know you've got a new neighbour next to you that's got school-age children that might not have enrolled yet for Mudgee Public School, please send them our way. But please let us know if you are moving on in 2023. All right, all the very best. Have a wonderful weekend and look forward to another fabulous week next week, week 7, term 4.